I have both these positive and negative wires from the water pump. I've taken the little prongs off here and right here, and I put on larger wires. Now all I have to do is to hook up the solder gun here, get these hot enough, and solder them. And then of course, after I do that, I'm going to have to add, which is a good idea, I think Euclidean came up with that one too. I'm going to put a fuse in between the power line on the red that goes here. And of course I can't do this with the camera on. So the trick to getting your soldering correct is to get your wire as hot as the connector there, and then you want to use a solder, electrical solder, and this has 40% lead with rosin flux core. And the rosin inside here, basically what that does is it cleans the metal on both the connector and the wire, and allows, once you get to the right temperature, it allows this to flow right out. And of course it's an art in itself to do this. I'm not that good at it, but I know that this 1950s soldering gun is really good. It's an old piece of crap, but it's electronic soldering gun from, it's made in America, 120 volts, and it works really good. It gets hot real quick and just does the job. Okay, I'm going to plug that in right here and do that.